So 2006 Volvo S60. Want to do the front brakes, which is not that bad though. Front brakes and rear brakes, alright? So stay tuned. Shout outs to my subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video. Any feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Alright. Oh, shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for support, love. Thank you for help. Alright. Not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this 2006 Volvo S60 front brakes and rear brakes. Alright. I'm gonna pop this first. Like so, okay. This is the front, by the way. There's a bolt right here. Okay, what is that? 10 millimeter. It's holding the rotor in place. Now, I'm just gonna take these guys out. That's Allen. Okay, so the Allens that hold the caliper onto the bracket, it's gonna be seven Allen. Alright, I'm just gonna break loose. Okay, this is the front brakes, by the way. I'm just gonna break it loose just like that. Put some, do the other one too. Eee. There it is. Swivel, deep socket, 1/2 inch, like that. Okay. This is the bracket, okay? This is the bracket that it says right here, right hand. See it right here. Just pry it out. Pop this guy out, just like that. Okay. I'm gonna push the piston back. That's a mat. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna spray some brake cleaner. So you're gonna eat. Now you can brush it. Okay. Do some same with this. I'll put some. There we go. Now these are the real ones. Oh, some nice stuff. Same. I'm just gonna go through here. Okay. I'm just gonna break it loose here or two, just to get there. You know what I'm saying? Three-eighth extension, 3/8 ratchet, just because I don't have that much space. Just like that. Okay. Now here, there's a puppet. There you go. Puppet, like that, yeah. We'll pop this out just like that. Okay. Okay, I'm in the middle. There you go. Just like that. Pull it down. That's it. This is rear. These are the front midseat though. So rear pads. Okay, I grease now. Start like this. Like here, like this. Put this guy like this. There you go. Now we come here with the top. With the eyes. Okay. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just making sure that everything is tight and snug. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit, destroy, bang the subscribe button. Do that for me. Do the same with the like button. Share this video. Maybe you have a friend that has the same type of vehicle. Share this video, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. All right, let me know what you think about these brakes. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Is it reliable for you, or whatever you have in mind? Just put in the comment box. And shout outs to my subscribers. All right, and I'm just gonna leave it right here. It was me, Astuo Burung. Holla at your boy. See you in the next one. All right, I'm out. D.